Nope.
18.
Turning 19 tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I think I put Hayes' birthday.
23rd.
Wait.
Next Wednesday.
I think I put Hayes' birthday as your birthday and I put
That is funny.
Well, it's all around the same time.
Hey, you want to take care of this?
Actually good.
There you
This
go.
kid thought it was gonna be 20.
Sharp knife.
Sharp knife.
Good.
You want to clear up, put some room on the table?
I don't like the way it looks. I'm gonna take that out of your hand.
Why is there a camera?
That was really easy to take. Oh, she was not holding that at all.
Grab it. Oh, no, it was, I was trying to make it so it was
Be careful, I have a sharp knife and I'm not afraid to use it.
Please be careful with my sharp knife.
I'm going to be careful. You're gonna say
Oh, it's raining.
when is someone going to take this?
Oh, she's not done with it. You're not even
I'll take it aside.
Alright,
She's gone.
ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
God, it's like a funeral.
Happy birthday, dear Sean Chris. Happy birthday to you.
How many of you forgot the names?
None of us. I think we tried to say it opposite.
Do it! Yeah, you get your side first. It's like a game.
Stole your wishes.
There you
Oh, I'm sorry.
You want to, we can relight it for you.
Sure.
All right, there you go.
First you steal his birthday. Now then,
Wait.
Wait a second.
Oh, look. Now it gets
Aaron James.
You have to sing again? Yeah, I'm going to sing this time.
Zach, if you need to get back at her, you're just going to slap her on.
Hey!
let's do it again. I didn't catch it.
Thank you, guys.
Now you can go home.
Right. Yes, take your candles.
15-hour drive. 16 hours.
I'm not going to lick it. You should do that.
I am.
You can lick his. You want to lick mine?
I was out for most of
Can you just finish that sentence though?
My candles.
That's for me.
My lap.
Ew, that's what put with his ass.
Stop. Get.
Stop.
Just a pretty taste.
You like your gift?
Huh?
You didn't open
You
it
like
yet.
your. Am I opening
Are
it
we
now?
opening these now?
Why not?
A package is just magically arrived next to me. Oh my god. Wonderful guy. She's like
Good. Sorry, try not to touch her face.
It's a bunch of stuff. Oh. Okay. These look really cool. Oh my gosh. There's also steam gear. Sick.
That was impressive to watch. Nah, there you go.
Alright.
What does it say? I'm dyslexic. I'm a proud brother of wonderful, sweet, and awesome sisters. Yes, they gave me this shirt. It's kind of like the shit I got dad.
Aw. Got my pillow for the ride home.
We were just talking about that.
Let's go. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. These are great.
I know they are. I know you like them.
Is this
That's for you.
okay? Just a vibe.
Ah, yay.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
What's it?
Level 19 of love.
Nice.
Awesome 2006.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Oh wait.
Vintage.
1985.
He's too perfection. I don't want that. Ah.
I didn't have the banner for you, so
That's
I figured
okay.
that's the next best thing.
Back to the Future. Oh, the color purple. Jewel of the Nile.
I'll give him a card.
Yeah.
Try to get away before.
Come on, you gotta have
I need a couple more beers.
I'll get in the crop of the Wow, that's awesome. There's more on the back there, more on the.
Oh, nice. Hit sling. Aight.
Definitely part.
Aight.
Yeah.
The list.
That's bad.
If
I had known, I would have got you a BB gun and shoot these fucking birds.
I think we would all have enjoyed that.
Oh, it was my fault because I was thinking, well, at least it's raining, so these stupid birds are gonna shut up. But
Oh, it's okay. We also got them on our list.
oh, I do actually have it on there. Yep.
How did you do that?
I'm intrigued.
I was so
Remember what it is now.
No. Did I give you the right thing? Have you seen
Barrel of monkeys.
What?